Hi, it's your girl HettyAmens.
Hi, what's up? It's your girl HettyAmens and it's your girl HettyAmens. Hey, what's poppin'? Yes, it's been a long time you guys saw me on the screens, but I am back, okay? So, corona or no corona, we are going to slay for the gods. So, as you can see from the title, yes, I am going on a date. And I decided, since it's been a long time I came your way, let me show you how I glam up, how I do my hair, and then my choice of clothes from when I'm going out on a date. So without much and further ado, let's get started. This outfit that I have on is a two-piece outfit from Fashion Nova. Yes, so I've had this two-piece for ages, like close to 2 years now, and I always love it. I can pair it with, jacket to look more classy and elegant. And this hair is from my company, HBP Wigs, or Hetty's Beauty Parlor Wigs. Check them out on Instagram and let's get talking. I have discounts and then I have sales going on. It's a mid-year, right? Yes, mid-year sales for you guys. So let me stop talking and let's get real quick in this video, because why not? I am seriously going out on a date and I'm looking yummy, like hello. Today's video is going to be 3-in-1. It's going to be about my makeup, my hair, and then my outfit. I am going to showcase some eyebrushes that I had from Shein. Okay, so I have some Shein hauls that I will be bringing to you guys later. So these are the brushes. These are not face brushes, these are for the eyes. Okay, so from the brows to the eyes to eyeliner. So these are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, so 13. So I'm going to use this in combination of other face brushes that I have from Jessup to do this makeup. I love it. So let's get started. Heavy BH Cosmetics setting spray. So yeah, I'm not good in being a talk through makeup tutorial girl, because I love talking. If you leave me, I'm gonna talk and talk and talk and talk. So just using a brown pencil of your choice to draw my brow.
Hi, what's up? Okay, so for the brows, what I'm using is a normal brown pencil. You can use any brown pencil of your choice, and that is what I'm using to outline and then shade in my brows. Just follow the natural line of your eyebrows. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to do your eyebrows, I will leave a link in the description box, or it will be pop up there. So I'm using this concealer by Makeup Revolution. This is actually their foundation stick, but I prefer using it as a concealer. So it's in the shade F13. That is what I'm using to neaten and then outline my brows. Okay, so whilst done, I use the same concealer to give me an even base for my eyeshadow application. So I now go in with a lighter pressed powder, and then I just have to dab onto my eyelids so that I know everything is mattifying and nothing is sticky. So I go in with Tammy's palette with Makeup Revolution. I love Makeup Revolution because it's very affordable yet classic and then good makeup brand. So I'm using this earth tone shades to do my eyeshadow. So I'm using this brownie shade to start as my transition shade, and that is what I'm going to do. So I go in with a much darker shade to deepen my crease even the more. And then next, I pick a precise brush from the brushes that I showed you, and I picked a black shadow. That is what I'm using to deepen the V of my eye shadow or eyelids, the corners of my eyelids. That is what I'm using to give it a much darker or an in-depth look. So when I am done, I blend everything with the first transition shadow or transition shade. Then I go in and pick my concealer. That is what I'm going to use on my lids to help me get a good stick for the main shadow application. I'm just using this brush to soften around the concealer areas or where I place the concealer. So I'm now using a flat brush. That is what I'm using to apply this bronzy look on my eyelids. It's no gold, it is warm bronze or something. And then I just use the same brush that I used in blending to blend around it. And then I go in with my eyeliner, of course, and then line my eyelids. And also I just use my PS makeup mascara. Any mascara of your choice is okay. And voila, our eyes are done, lashes being placed. I'm going to use this NARS foundation that I have. I think it's Golden Toffee. If I remember the shade, I'll write it on the screen. Getting some pumps, and then voila. Just watch this process. It's kind of complicated but simple. I don't want to talk, just follow what I'm doing. I'll get back to you guys later. My skin is yummy now. We have to do our highlights, and I'm using the same contour stick or the foundation stick by Makeup Evolution in the shade F13 to do all my highlights. When I'm done, I'll take a small angled fluffy brush to blend everything in. I start with my chin, my nose, and then my forehead. By the time I get to where my cheeks are, the concealer, is much more sticky, and it will help in, highlighting those underbags under my eyes. You get me? Yep. So because the look is actually a kind of night look, there's no need for me to bake. There's no need for me to put tons and tons and tons of powder. So I'm not doing any baking. I'm not doing excessive highlighting with powder. So I just use my normal or a lighter shade pressing powder to press on or press into my skin. And yeah, nothing extreme. I want a natural look. If you are going out on a date, don't do too much. So I'm using this contouring shade or bronzing shade by PS Makeup. It's in the shade deep golden. That is what I'm using, and you can see the difference in my cheek. So I'm also doing that on my nose, the bridge of my nose, to thin it even the more. For a more golden look, I prefer going on top with my MAC pressing powder, Studio Fix finish look in the shade NW45 to give me that golden look, yellowish look. So we are done, and I'm going on to this highlighting into my tear dots, my brow bone area. This is a 24 gold carat by Get Gorgeous Technique. I ordered from Amazon. Any highlighter is okay. You don't need the same brands that people use. Use what you have. Use what you can use. If not, you're going to spend a lot of money on makeup for nothing. You just have to be creative. So I had to go onto my cheeks, give my cheeks a little plump, and I am glowing like a festival goat. So yes, I'm just dusting onto myself wherever glow that I want. We got a glow, honey. So I'm now using the same brown pencil that I used for my eyebrows to outline my lips. We want something neutral, something natural, nude, you know, understand? Yes. So I'm using this to outline my lips and even overline my lips, okay? When I'm going out on dates, I prefer going on natural, subtle, not too much, not over exaggerated. So one trick I always do is, if you don't have a nude lipstick, just outline your lips with a dark brown pencil and then go over with a concealer. I use my concealer from Makeup Revolution. That is what I use to, plump my lips and create that ombre look or the natural look that I have on my lips. Then I gloss it with any gloss that you have, and voila, we're looking yummy, cute.
So what's up, guys? I am done with my makeup. I mean, it's taking me ages, to do all this, glam like. So let's go to the wig. Okay, so I have here my beautiful highlighted wig. Okay, it's 26 inches. It's freaking long, okay, and it has the skincare parts. Okay, the part is deep, and as always, my wigs are 100% machine sewn, and this wig is on sale. If you want to know how much it is, this is going for only 190 euros. Okay, 190 euros, hair, sewing, and everything. Wherever you are, we ship worldwide. It's actually been a long time I came your way, but trust me, I've been busy. And at the same time, I have some promos that I'm running. Guys, see this hair. This hair is freaking long. Like, see, this is my waist. Okay, so this is 26 inches. Hello. Oh, I'm looking yummy.